happy 60th birthday po, Tatay Ariel. So, alam ko po napaka-special ng araw na to kasi dual citizen na kayo, no? So, Filipino citizen, then senior citizen. Ibig sabihin lang po niya na meron na kayong discount card, ano po. So, travel more po. And namimiss ko na po yung lechon na masarap. Nung nandiyan po kami, talagang sarap ang lutong ng balat, ano po. So, hindi man ako makapag-join po dyan sa inyong special day, pero included po kayo sa aking prayers, ano po. God bless you po and enjoy your special day. Bye-bye po. Happy birthday.
Bo, ay busy ako. Nadumduman ko, birthday ka Nonoy Ariel karon. Noy, happy birthday. Biyaw. Busy ako doon pa. Nangigot ako ka tangkil sa babaw ay uran-uran at may bagyo. Happy birthday lang yan. 60 years of age. May lang ang lawas na yan. More birthday to come. Mga tropa dyan magparagaak na. Sayang eh. Sunod na lang ako babawi pag magka-share dyan eh. Magparagaak kita. Enjoy your moment, Noy. Happy birthday. God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Father Ariel. You are not only the father of my friends, Sky and Jay, who happens to be your sons, but you are also a man I can proudly look up to and admire. Cheers for the gift of life and pray for your good health always. Happy birthday.
Ito, si Rick po ito, yung pinakamabait na kaibigan ni Sky. Joke lang po. Happy birthday po. Happy 60th birthday. 60 na po pala kayo, pero nung nakita po tayo, parang 55 lang po kayo no, na. happy birthday po. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day po, and lagi po kayong mag-iingat. God bless po. Sana po, makita po tayo ulit soon. Ayun po. Bye-bye po. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Uncle. Enjoy your day. See you soon.
Hello, Tay. Happy birthday, Tay. God bless you and your whole family. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo ngayong araw na to. At yun, Tay. See you soon. And sana makapasal ako dyan para mag-chat tayo, Tay. Tapos, yun, Tay. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng good health, ng madami pang birthday. See you soon, Tay. Happy birthday once again, Tay. Love you.
Hello everyone! Gusto ko na bang hapag sa malipot na mensahe sa aking celebrant sa akong second father, very supportive ng second father, si Tatay Ariel. Kay 60 naman ka, wala gitay mahimo, dapat 59 ka pa lang. Kay 60 naman, kay gusto mo din mag-avail sa senior citizens card. So, happy birthday, more blessings, and good health always. Halong ka mo dyan, Permi.
Hello po, magandang araw po sa ating lahat, sa inyo lahat dyan. And sa inyo po tito, maligayang kaatuan. At po, more birthdays to come and more birthdays to celebrate with your family. Maganda po sana kung kompletuan. Anyway po, kahit hindi man po kayo kompleto, as long as lahat sila ay nagko-connect at para mabati po ay sa araw na ito. Wishing you po with good health and more prosperous years to come. Darating ng mga panahon, darating ng mga taon. And I do hope and wish also na mabati pa kayo in person. Anyway po, ingat po lagi and God bless.
Hello kapamilya and friend. Thank you for coming and celebrating a special day of a man behind our success and achievement in life, my Lodi, Papa.
Ang wish ko sa imo is good health and more birthday to come para ma-enjoy magid ang discount. Joke. Para ma-enjoy mo pa ang travels and surprises namon para sa inyo ni Mama. And thank you for being a source of my strength and inspiration as I conquer and see the world. Ang gift mo ari na de, ang iba harap to sa US. So surprise nanay. Kasi bali enjoy your day and see you soon. Bye bye, love you.
Tonight, goddamn, it's my birthday.